classic Manhattan is a cocktail made with whiskey, sweet vermouth, and bitters, garnished with a maraschino cherry. We had an on-site mixology workshop at the AC Hotel Irvine with head mixologist Luis Delpozo and learned a variation on the classic. We started the Manhattan by adding 3 dashes of bitters into our cocktail shakers. The bitters can be the classic Angostura or sweeter flavors such as orange or chocolate. Our version had no vermouth. Instead, we put sugar cubes in our cocktail shakers with the bitters and crushed them with the back of a spoon. We added our spirit. Commonly used whiskeys include rye, Canadian whiskey, bourbon, blended whiskey, and Tennessee whiskey. Add ice and stir by spinning around the edge of the shaker with the back of the spoon. Using fresh cocktail glasses, we placed 1 oversized ice cube in each glass, keeping the drink cold without watering it down too fast. With a strainer, we poured the cocktail mixture into the glass, keeping out the old ice. For the garnish, Luis took a peel from an orange, warmed it up with a match, and rubbed the rim of the glass, after which we dropped the peel into the drink itself. Last but not least, we garnished the Manhattan with a maraschino cherry. Cheers!